Let us take example of conjunctions. And is conjunction. Mike and John are friends. Mike and John are friends. Two people. If there are more than two people, Mike, John and Mohan are friends. So and will come before the last object. I eat rice and dal. I eat rice, dal and curry. Another example of and. Next is or. He will eat rice or noodles. He will eat rice or noodles. Option. And is for together. Or is for option. Either one. I will drink tea or coffee. I will teach or read. I will walk or run. These are examples of or. But there is a reason for explanation. He is poor but honest. He is poor but honest. He is intelligent but lazy. He is rich but miser. So we will use but in contradictory situations. Just the opposite meaning. Then we use but. The other word is still. Ram was ill, still he came to class. Ram was not well. He was ill, still he came to class. Then we use still. See, it joins the two sentences. Ram was ill is one sentence. He came to class is another sentence. It is joined with still. This is called conjunction. So, you want to learn English, so you joined the class. So is the reason. You explain things. You are hungry, so you eat food. You are hungry, so you are eating food now. This is a proper sentence. This is the reason. So, I want to teach, so I am teaching. Another example. Because I eat rice because I like it. Because is also another form of reason. So you can use these words as per your choice. I eat rice because I like it. So it is joining sentences. I eat rice and I like it. Therefore, she wants money, therefore she works. Therefore is another explanation. I want to educate people, therefore I teach English. I want to make you knowledgeable, therefore I speak in English. Another example of therefore. The next word is either or. Either or is an option. Either you do this or you do that. For example, the sentence is either he will work or he will sleep. So you see, either is used before the subject and also before another sentence or the clause. Either he will work is one sentence, or he will sleep is another sentence or a clause. So we will use either before one subject and then or before the another subject. Either he will work or he will sleep. Either I will teach or I will read. Either I will teach or I will not teach. Many types of sentences you can make. Another example is neither nor. Neither nor. Neither will he work nor will he sleep. So here we are putting the will before the subject. Neither will he work nor will he sleep. So these are examples of options, either or and neither or. There are many more words in conjunction, but these are some of the basic words which you should know to make your sentences beautiful and express completely. And then you can make questions also. Who are Mike and John? Mike and John are friends. Like this. Use all the W's, WH, who, what, where, when, how, and you can make questions with conjunctions also. Thank you for watching this episode. Keep watching Margdarshi Skills Academy's videos and we'll come back shortly. Thanks. Bye.